welcome back to a new video. If you are new here, my name is Tiana. Hey girl. So as y'all can tell by the title and the little montage that we had at the beginning of the video, baby, this is a hair maintenance vlog. And y'all remember a couple of videos back, I was telling y'all that I wanted to get back to doing my own hair because going to the salon is just a little bit too expensive at the moment. So we always like to save a good coin. And I would like to say thank you to Irresistible Me for collaborating with me and sending me over a ponytail. So they sent me over this ponytail, guys. Let me show y'all. So this is what the ponytail came in. This packaging is just so cute. It says ponytail, clip-in, hair extension. So this packaging is so cute. Like this cylinder, yes, please. And then on the back of it, it just says hair made easy. It's 100% human hair. It's the ultimate hair accessory, instant transformation. They have a color match guarantee program. I'm gonna insert a clip of their website. The site is tea, okay? I mean, they have everything from clip-ins, tape-ins. If you want a little piece just to sit on top of your head, they have that. They have wigs, y'all. So I definitely will be trying out their wigs. I do want to try that out, as well as their clip-ins. So let's open up the packaging. Dang, girl. It's a little tight. Okay. So, oh wow, this is nice. This is nice. So it comes in like a dust bag and it says just irresistible hair. Okay, period. We love that. Okay, so this is the ponytail that I got. This is a 20-inch 3A curly ponytail. And y'all look, wow, do y'all see this? Look at that. Like, what? And then the hair does not have like that chemical smell or anything. I mean, the curls are just luscious. They shine. This will match like my natural hair in its natural state, just like the curls. Y'all, I bet you if I get some clip-ins like this, I could just clip this in. Like, this is so pretty. And so the ponytail, it has a clip here. And you will just use this to wrap the ponytail around. So y'all, this is so nice. I've never seen like a ponytail like this before. This is human hair. It is 3A curls, 20 inches, and I got it in the shade 1 because my hair is jet black. So what you want to do to apply this ponytail, I've already put my hair into a ponytail, so I'm just going to braid down my natural hair and put a rubber band at the end, and then we're going to apply this. So to apply the ponytail, all you want to do is just make sure that your hair is in a bun. Then you want to take this clip and just pin it here, right above the ponytail. And make sure you have it clipped in pretty good. And then these two pieces, you just want to take it under your original ponytail. And then up under here, you see where my fingers lap, you just want to overlay the two pieces just like you're tying a shoe, and you want to make sure that you are pulling tight. And then you want to continue to wrap around just like that. And so you just keep wrapping it, and then as you're wrapping, you want to make sure you just pull tight. And then once you get to the top, you want to press down the ponytail. You want to press down the ponytail and kind of mold it to your original ponytail. And then tie it again, wrap it around again. And then once you get to the back here, you want to tie it in a knot like you would your shoe. And then kind of tuck it under so you're not seeing the two pieces. And what I also like to do to just kind of hide this band here is I'm going to take a piece of the hair from the side here and just wrap it around that band. Just to give it a little bit more of a natural look. And then as I'm wrapping it, I'm tucking the hair as well. And there you have it, y'all. A quick little 10-minute hairstyle. You cannot beat that. This is the perfect ponytail if you are a working mom, student, just whatever. If you want something quick and you want to look put together, elevated, and you really just don't have the funds to just get your hair done like that, head on over to irresistibleme.com and check out their website. They have, like I said, anything from clip-ins, tape-ins, little hair toppers, wigs, whatever you need. They customize colors specific to your hair color. So just head on over to www.irresistibleme.com and check out their website. I also have a discount code. If you would use my discount code, IM_Tiana, that's IM_TEANNA, for 10% off your entire purchase. Again, thank you so much to Irresistible Me for collaborating with me on this video and sending me this amazing hairpiece.